Hey there! Are you tired of getting average responses from ChatGPT? What if I told you there's a way to take your prompts from ordinary to extraordinary? Today I'm sharing the COSTAR method, a game-changing technique to maximize ChatGPT's potential. Let's turn your questions into actionable, insightful, and powerful answers. Stay tuned, because this will change how you use AI forever. So you might be wondering, why does the way you phrase your prompt even matter? Well, here's the thing. ChatGPT works like a mirror. If your input is unclear or generic, you'll get generic responses. But when you ask better questions, you unlock ChatGPT's true power. And that's where the COSTAR method comes in. COSTAR is an easy-to-remember framework that helps you craft prompts that are clear, specific, and tailored to your needs. Let's break it down step by step and see the difference it makes. COSTAR stands for C, context. Start by providing background information. This sets the stage for ChatGPT to understand what you're talking about. O, objective. Be clear about what you're trying to achieve. Are you brainstorming ideas, seeking detailed explanations, or generating code? S, style. Define the style of the response. Do you want it formal, casual, humorous, or professional? T, tone. Specify the tone. Is it inspirational, serious, playful, or technical? A, audience. Describe who the response is for. ChatGPT tailors responses better if it knows the target audience. R, response. Be explicit about the format you want. Bullet points, essays, step-by-step guides, etc. Let's compare a basic prompt with a COSTAR enhanced one. Here's the basic prompt, and here's the response. It's not bad, but it's pretty bare bones. Now let's try the COSTAR method. And the response? Check this out. See the difference? With the COSTAR method, the response is not just accurate, but also engaging, detailed, and easy to understand. Now that you know how to use COSTAR, let's talk about where you can apply it. From writing essays and planning trips, to coding and business strategies, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? The more you use this method, the better your prompts and results will get. Have a favorite use case in mind? Let me know in the comments below. And there you have it. The COSTAR method. A simple, effective way to level up your ChatGPT game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, you're awesome. Thank you for being part of our community. Until next time, happy prompting.